The Census 2027 Self Enumeration (SE) process in India has officially begun from 1st April to 15th April 2026. Citizens can now complete their census details online quickly and securely using the Self Enumeration portal at se.census.gov.in. The online process is designed for simplicity. Log in using your mobile number and OTP, select your location and mark your house on the map, fill household details accurately, submit your information, and receive the SE reference ID. It is important to keep your SE reference ID safe as you will need to share it with the enumerator when they visit your home. If the self-enumeration is not completed by 15th April, enumerators will conduct field verification between 16th April and 15th May 2026 by visiting residences in person. Officials emphasize that the census data collection is 100% confidential and secure, ensuring privacy for all participating households. Union Home Minister Amit Shah previously soft-launched mascots Pragati and Vikas to represent inclusive participation of both women and men in this nationwide effort, aligned with India's vision for development by 2047. This digital transition aims to streamline enumeration using satellite data, mobile apps, and web interfaces, making the process easier for citizens across the country, including urban centers like Bengaluru.